Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be building the Soderhamn sofa sectional couch from IKEA, and as you can see it is a lot in this box, so I'm gonna get myself organized, get the instructions first. And it does say it takes 2 people, so I have my boyfriend handy. He's in the back washing dishes while I attempt to build this, the first part. So I'm gathering everything, every single part, and putting it on the side. So let's begin, you guys. The first step is you want to find this support handle in the back of the couch, and we're gonna lift it up. After you do that, now we're gonna find the legs and the little brackets to screw this on. But you know what? I'm over it. I need a break, a much deserved beer. Okay. Getting back to the building, we're gonna find these little screws before we put the legs, actually, to help out with the support system in the back. Now we're gonna start the legs. So now you want to take your brackets and center them, and then we're gonna grab the leg and get the part that has the screw and just simply screw it on. Screw, really firm and really hard, and it should be ready. Now we can move on to actually putting the cover on the part of the sectional, on the bottom part. So this is pretty much like a bed skirt / pillowcase, and we're gonna try to find the perfect pillow to go inside. So as y'all can see, I am struggling, you guys. So I called Bae, and together we figured out which pillow goes where. How embarrassing. By now, I know you guys noticed my legs, my knees in particular, are a little ashy. Please don't look at that. Ignore that. Instead, we're going to concentrate on the next step, which is putting this fabric over the bottom part of the couch. And it does have Velcro on the bottom of the couch, so you could easily just stretch it and Velcro the bottom. How cool is that? And it's so cool that you can take off this cloth if it ever gets dirty, and you could just throw it in the wash. Or IKEA has different colors if you want to just get a totally brand new color for your living room or change the living room. It is beautiful. I love that. Okay, you guys, the next step is you want to find the back of the couch, and we're going to put the fabric over that. Okay, now we're gonna Velcro everything together, all the sides nice and tight, just like you did in the other part, and make sure it is compressed really hard. Now we're gonna put the back to the rest of the couch, and we're gonna be using some screws. And to do this, you might need 2 people if you're not strong like me. Pretty much you're gonna line the back with the front, and then we're gonna use some brackets and some screws and pretty much screw all this couch together. Pretty simple, you guys. So you guys, we're almost done, but guess what? We have more cushions, and more cushion covers to put the cushions in. And make sure you put the right one with the right cover. And we are done, you guys. Now you can add your favorite plant. Mine's a monstera, and have it as a chair. But I actually bought 2 of these chairs and a chaise to make one big sectional. But you guys, I'm not gonna take the time to show y'all how to assemble that because it is the same thing all over again. The instructions are similar. Here is the final couch. So I hope you guys like this video because I'm tired. Okay, so you guys, this is the full Soderhamn IKEA couch. It is beautiful. I love it. I can't believe me and Bae put it together. I love it. It's technically gray, but I say it's like blue. It is beautiful. It matches your shirt, babe. It has a chaise bank. And Bae fits comfortably. He can fall asleep. His feet hang a little bit. That's because he's tall. But shit, it does go like 3 feet deep, but yeah. So there it is, you guys. Whole complete look. I'm gonna have a part 2 with price and the review of how I like it and all the details about it in the next video. So stay tuned for that, you guys. And if you like these types of videos, these assembling furniture, let me know. I'll post more. I'll post my bed, my future plant shelf. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. Yeah, just let me know. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Like and subscribe. And this is the Soderhamn by IKEA. It's lovely. And another person can fit comfortably here. Yeah. Bye, guys. Bae, why are you on your phone? He never pays attention to me. Like, what is he doing? Like, get off of social media. I'm trying to sell the couch. Come on now. Get up. Bae, I'm literally talking to you. Pay attention to me. And he still won't pay attention to me. Ain't that crazy, you guys? Maybe I need a new man. I'm just kidding. I love him. And he's still not paying attention to me. So at this point, I'm going to the kitchen and getting the butcher knife. Just kidding, you guys. Okay, maybe if I switch positions, he'll pay attention to me. Maybe this position. Maybe the other position. Maybe if I put the camera up, he'll pay attention to me. Maybe not. Like, literally, Bae, I'm trying to get this picture for the YouTube cover video, and he still doesn't pay attention to me. Is he talking to
tired
another
now. I need
bitch?
a
Just
drink.
kidding, you guys. These are bloopers made to be funny.
Too hot.
See you on my next video.
Bye, guys.